All right. They're not looking pretty. This is what you do not want your beads to do, but I am experienced enough that I can work with them. So I've got 3 beads on both sides of my cord, and they're clumped up into triangles. However, they will be lines of beads when I get there. It's okay. Sometimes they don't lay perfectly flat. As long as you know which bead is the middle bead and which beads go on either side of it, you can work on that when it comes to the body itself. Brick stitch is, well, like it sounds, bricks. You're adding 2 beads that are offsetting from the base bead that they're being added on top of. And this belly is done in an increase decrease pattern. So I will add 2 beads, and then I will add 3 beads, and then I will add 2 beads, and then I will add 3 beads. And in the end, we will have this flat ribbon that will be the belly against your bead. And as a foundation of the whole dragon is this ribbon. Some people have tried making the bellies with a peyote stitch and no bead in the middle. I believe Positively Crafty does that. And I think Vanishing Pearl tried it that way for her Trogdor SDragon. But my pattern does stick with a bead in the middle and brick stitching around it to get started. It's kind of like embroidery and cross stitch. There's multiple ways to tackle it, but some ways are just preferred by people. I prefer this way. As tough as it can be to get started, I find it the most satisfying and rewarding finish when I am done my dragon. I'm not wearing my glasses. Where are my glasses? Where did I leave them in the chaos that happened?